I live in Magdalena, New Mexico, and the little place that we live on, my folks bought it years ago, and we had one well on it. That well was only 150 feet deep. Everything was fine for many, many years, and then about 8 years ago, that well ran out of water. Within that same week, when it finally ran out, we had to get it, we drilled and had everything hooked back up to the house in basically 3 days. And when we drilled, we hit water at 280 feet and went on down to 335. My neighbor down here, he's not half a mile from me, he had to go 600 feet to get to water. It'd be great if everybody right around me could all see exactly what's going on with their water.
We have an aquifer mapping program at the New Mexico Bureau of Geology, and within that program, we've been able to get actually philanthropic money from the Healy Foundation has been supporting this collaborative groundwater monitoring network. The intention is to fill in a lot of the gaps in the rural communities of New Mexico where we don't have any information on what's going on in those aquifers. The kind of first line of our attempts to reach out to communities is really working with public water systems where a lot of them are a single source. And Magdalena in 2013 was the perfect example of a community that was single well, and it went out. They had had some sort of monitoring in advance. They probably would have seen a downward trend that year.
With that monitoring system, I realized if something's going down, I got to start making a plan because I'm not on city water. I'm too far away from city water. With this water thing, if I knew for me or anybody else, if we had more people on it, then we could find out exactly what is going on, not just in my little well, but all around to see if I'm the only one having this fluctuation, or that this guy out here is having it, or whatever the case may be. I would like to know.
The device that Sam has is really cool because it does a measurement with acoustic technology. It just sits on top of the well, measures the water level using sound, and then it transmits the data up to the cloud, and it processes and turns it into a hydrograph so we can track the trend in the water level there.
I check it every single day, and then when I go on the road, I can check my water down here. It's security for me.